Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to log into Netflix on a new device. Whether you've just gotten a new smart TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device, we've got you covered. Follow these easy steps to access your favorite shows and movies on Netflix. Step 1. Open the Netflix app or website. Smartphones/tablets. Download and open the Netflix app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Smart TVs, streaming devices. Use the pre-installed Netflix app. If it's not there, go to your device's app store to download and install it. Web browser. Open a web browser and go to www.netflix.com. Step 2. Locate the sign-in screen, smartphones, tablets, and TV apps. When you open the Netflix app, you'll typically be taken to the main screen. Look for the sign-in button, usually at the top or center of the screen. Web browser. On the homepage of Netflix, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Enter your email and password type in the email address associated with your Netflix account. Enter your password. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Choose your profile, optional. If your Netflix account has multiple profiles, you'll be asked to choose the profile you want to use. Select the profile that best suits your viewing preferences. If it's your first time, the app may prompt you to create a new profile. Step 5. Start streaming. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Netflix home screen. You can now browse content, choose a movie or show, and start watching. Check your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for smooth streaming. Use a supported device. Make sure your device supports Netflix. Refer to Netflix's official support page for device compatibility. Keep your app updated. Ensure you have the latest version of the Netflix app for the best experience. That's it. You're all set to enjoy endless entertainment on your new device. If you encounter any issues, visit the Netflix Help Center for more troubleshooting tips. Happy streaming.